Okay, so now let's understand what kind of tools of artificial intelligence or how AI can be used to know to just perform the task which we have discussed, like recommender system, price optimization, chatbots, sales and demand forecasting, fraud detection. So there are different tools and techniques. Not all of them can be used in the field of commerce or e-commerce. For example, computer vision is not that is computer vision is a part of our AI, which might be not that much useful for commerce industry. It is quite useful in computer science industries, but it can be not that much useful in commerce industry. But the tools like natural language processing, NLP, it is quite useful in almost all the domains which utilizes the power of AI. So natural language processing is nothing but the ability of a computer program to understand human language. Okay, so the ability of a computer program to understand human language, where we make any system to understand the human language. For example, English, Hindi, French, Japanese, whatever you want, language you want to name, the system, the computer must understand it. Either it in the form of a spoken language, or it can be the form of written language. For example, again for in chatbots, we specifically use this written form of uh, language which we want that the computer should understand. Spoken, we have the examples like Siri, Alexa. These are the systems which can understand the spoken language also, and it can react to that. It can provide some kind of information. It is some kind of activity. It can perform different kinds of activities based on the spoken language. So these services can also be used. The different kind of NLP services can also be used for e-commerce and commerce industry. For example, as I said, for customer support system, we have this chatbots which can use this written thing uh, to understand the written language of any customer, and it utilizes the power of NLP, and based on that it can take some kind of action. It can provide some kind of information to the customer. So NLP is one of the tool which can be used, which is a AI based tool which can be used for different commerce domains.